Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be breaking open this. And I'm going to be showing you my dried up slime from last night, yeah. So I'm going to show you that first, and then I'll show you the other
This is a doggy
slime, or this.
cheese.
Stop. Okay, I'm just going to put my hand on it. Actually, I'm going to get up. Okay, so you can see it's bubbly.
Yeah. I really want to play with this. I want to touch it.
Elliot, stop.
No, let me touch this. Then tell me what one I can touch.
None.
Oh, it is a bit. I want to see.
So yeah, that's what it looks like. It's not very good because, yeah, you've seen that the slime wasn't very good. Actually, I'm going to show you the slime very quickly because I have not played with this since last night. Because I don't know if it's still, you can't touch it really, or if you can. Yep, as you can see, you can see the sparkles. Yeah, it's jiggly now. Sorry for my brother being annoying in the background. Stop. Go upstairs and do that. Yes. Okay, now I'm going to be doing my squishy. I'm actually scared because it looks like it's a clay, but then it looks like it's flour or something. I'm scared. It's literally not cutting.
Oh, it popped. What is that stuff?
Be quiet.
Yeah, that's soap. I know it.
Ew, what is that?
I don't know.
Stop. Be quiet. It feels like it's a clay. Is this actually Daiso? Oh, that's not a clay. It smells like something that comes out of a diaper. Like that stuff that you cut into a diaper and get it wet.
Baby powder?
Stop. I want to try putting this in slime. Or should I try putting some water on it? Because it smells like some kind of baby something. Okay, maybe that wasn't a bad idea because let's see if we can put it back together. And so we just gotta put some in here. Hold on, right. Okay, we're putting it back together. Ugh. No, we're not. Just kidding, I just squished it. It's making my hands sticky. Stop, Elliot. Go upstairs. I am going to get some slime and put it in here because I want to know what it'll do. It might melt it. It might turn into a butter slime. Or it might make it hard. Elliot. Okay, here's my slime that I'm going to put in it. Yeah, this stuff is sticky. Go play upstairs.
I want to see. I'm not even in it. Look at it. Don't even see me.
I'm going to take some of it out because if it is a natural clay, I will use it. Like if it'll work like a clay then, but it feels like it's deactivating it. Is this going to turn into a cloud slime? I think it is the stuff out of a diaper. This is not a very cool slime, so I'm probably just going to add all of it. It just has little chunks in it now. Oh, jeez, scissors, get out of the way. Okay, we're going to add a little bit more. Sorry, guys. Now I gotta fix it. Okay. And you guys, I am gonna be getting a tripod, so don't.
Tripod.
Not Tide Pods, tripod. Something. I think it is making it melt a little bit, but it's actually, I just said it wasn't a cool slime, but it kind of is. We added all of it. You can get these at Target in the dollar section. That's where I got mine. But the thing is, I didn't see them when I went back there the other day. Okay, I want to know where you guys, what city or country you live in. Or like, don't say Iowa. Say like Dubuque, Iowa City, Madison, and all them. Don't say Iowa because, yeah. Because I'm not very smart. And I won't really, like, know. Like, because I live in Dubuque.
No,
Uh-huh.
you don't live in Dubuque.
Yeah, we do.
We live in Dutton. Dubuque is where that place where Mom wanted those very expensive flowers.
I think it is going to turn into a cloud slime. It kind of looks like it, but I don't have any more, so sadly, I've never made a cloud slime, and I need to get snow so I can make a cloud slime.
My sister needs to see what would happen Have fun with the vlog videos. She doesn't
Oh,
renew it.
jeez.
I know, it's crazy.
Elliot, stop talking.
Shut up. She's a worse sister. She thinks I'm worse brother.
Okay, and make sure to like and subscribe. Especially hit that subscribe button, turn it to red to gray, and hit the bell, please.
Let's see if we hit it 1 million.
I don't think we're gonna do that for a while. Yeah, let's see if we can hit 1 million by the end of this month. Just kidding, it is like the end of this month already, but like, let's see if we can hit 100K by December. I hope we can. I would be so happy.
Me too.
Get out of my video. What did you just do? A 100K or 10K. I would be so happy with them. And I would literally die. I probably don't want to die because then I want to be able to have you guys.
But she knows what die you're dying. You guys know what die she's talking about. Like, fall over because she died too much. So yeah, she can do a red. Like a red.
Oh, jeez.
You guys can come over and fly on our pole. I call it fire pole. Just
Oh.
need to get a chair and get up it.
No,
have
Elliot.
a
We don't want anybody coming to our house.
Guys, look at me. And I didn't even step on it. So I'm going to need it.
Elliot, go upstairs now.
No.
I'll show you in the video if you go upstairs and stay up there until I'm done. And be quiet. They can hear you.
By the way, I think it's burned it.
Stop.
And she will punch it. Lock the door for a giant chair wherever it is.
Let's see if it's a butter slime. No. Let's see if it's a cloud slime. No. Let's see if it's just a normal slime. No. Let's see if it's a crunchy slime. Hold on. Yes, kind of.
It's a squishy.
There's something in my ear. It just. Please hit that like button, please.
Actually, I'm gonna shut. Let's see if we can get 1,001. How about actually? My sister doesn't know her numbers yet, I know. But I know.
What's 1,001? How much is 1,001? And you don't know.
Hey. Everybody agree with me because yes I do. You know.
my sister's probably going to end up coming out here and I'm probably going to yell at her. So headphone users, please turn down your headphones. So yeah, just a reminder. Wow. It's so beautiful. Let's add some little things. These I'm gonna have to like this with because yeah, it's just gonna go whoosh if I sprinkle them like that. Ah. This looks so beautiful in my point of view. I'm going to put, oh yeah, let's do these. I'm going to put 2 of these. And then I'll show you my slime. Because it is kind of a seashell one. Okay. Here it is. I'm gonna play with it now. When I stretch it, it looks like a cloud sign. But it doesn't drizzle, that's the thing. Drizzle, 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 drizzle. Drizzle all day. There we go. Okay, let's find both of my seashells. Did I literally just find them? Yep. Okay, I'm gonna add one more thing. Oh, hold on, actually. I'm gonna make a slime swirl and then I will. Oh, that was it perfect. Gotta get some on that side. Jeez, lady. This actually looks really cool. I'm gonna add one more thing actually. Don't look. Ooh, nice. Nice. Ooh, that's actually really pretty. Let's see. That's what it looks like. Okay, you guys gotta get this last one. Just like that. This is actually really pretty. I wasn't even planning on hold on. Oh, it felt like something went up my nose, but okay. Sorry. I'm gonna put it in this container. I wasn't even planning on putting slime in this. I was just gonna open it and seeing if it was a clay or if I should have just thrown it away. Or it was like a liquid and that, good thing it wasn't. So, yes. Here's my dog. Don't come in my video or you're gonna be on YouTube.
I won't be on YouTube.
No.
Yeah. Maybe. I'm gonna be on YouTube. He said if I come in our video, I'm gonna be on YouTube.
No, I'm gonna edit you out.
No. Then I'm just gonna make my own video.
Wow. Get out, Izzy. Okay, I gotta do my outro.
Bye, guys. Literally would be your outro.
No.
What's your outro then?
Something. Go in your room.
I'm just gonna try
I can't even see your face.
I know, because I was playing with the slime. Stop.
Knock it off.
What's up, Dad, baby? Baby.
I'm gonna actually
Baby.
this.
Baby.
Oh, my back hurts.
Did you eat or did you drink all the tea?
No? You did.
Nuh-uh, because there's only one left. How many?
I had 3.
No, she has the 1. I mean, she has the 100 today.
There's no way.
I've only had 3.
No,
Last night there was like 5 of those things left.
that's because
Yeah.
she has 1 today.
Like last night at 2 in the morning when I was awake. So
Well, I wasn't awake at 2 in the
you
morning.
have to drink some this morning then.
I had 2 this morning.
I didn't even have one this morning. I haven't had one today.
So? You don't need any. You had 7. Elliot, what are you looking for? She has had 7. I've only had 3. Or 4. No, I think it's 4. Maybe, I don't know.
Elizabeth, I would know if you let me have
No,
I don't know.
because it's not my decision if you can have another pop. It's Mom's. Call Mom and ask her.
I don't even know.
Yeah, huh?
Well, I can't push a button back.
No.
No.
Okay, this is going to be the end of the video, and make sure to like and subscribe and tell all your friends and family about my YouTube channel so we can get 100K or 10K. 100 or 10K by December. Please, guys. Please, make sure to like and subscribe. Stop. And see you guys next time. Bye.